How's it going, everybody? It's your boy Stas here. Welcome back to another video. So listen up. We have to break down Sofi stock in this one, do a quick update on the charts, my thoughts, what I'm looking to do as the stock is down a little bit right now in the midst of a mixed bag for the stock market. So we have a lot to cover today, guys. Hit the like button, make sure to subscribe, and you might as well get your free stocks for Moomoo. Open up your account using that link down below and deposit $100. Once you do that, you get 5 free stocks and a $30 cash bonus, and fund your account with at least $1,000. You get 10 more stocks, and overall, for now, your uninvested cash will earn up to 8.1% APY. And guys, the clock's ticking. This deal runs out, I think, in 3 days, maybe 4 days. So use that link or go to stasurfest.com/Moomoo, and let's get right into the video. Cheers, by the way, guys. Thanks for tuning in as always. So guys, right now it's noon on the East Coast, and we have Sofi down about 0.1%. Nothing too crazy. Actually, we're up from the low in the pre-market, but I guess we're down from the closing price yesterday. Either way, we're down a little bit right now after taking out the lows from yesterday in the pre-market today. And by the way, guys, the entire stock market, like I said in the intro, is, all over the place. Excuse me. Russell's down 0.6%, Dow's down about 0.25%, a little more than that. S&P's down 0.3, or up actually 0.3. QQQ's up 0.3, 0.4%. So yeah, yesterday the Dow hit an all-time high. Same with the Russell. So those are giving back some of the gains. All right, not bad. And we're moving closer to all-time highs on QQQ and on SPY. That's kind of what's going on right now. And like I said, when it comes to Sofi, we took out the lows from yesterday, but now we're battling back above the critical support here on the chart from yesterday, right? You guys see yesterday we held above 1550, 60 the entire day. This morning we broke under it. All right, not a big deal. Because now we're back over it. We have retaken this 1550, 1560 level. Now we're at 1570. And ideally for the bulls here, guys, whether it's today, at some point tomorrow, excuse me, guys, I might need some coffee. I don't know what's going on here. Cheers again. But ideally for the bulls, in the next, couple hours, maybe tomorrow, the day after that. Well, I guess actually that's Thanksgiving. But either way, over the next couple of days, it would be ideal if we break back over 16, right? Especially today. It'd be ideal if that happened today for the bulls, right? So 16, 1590, that's roughly the high from today and from yesterday for a majority of the day. So that is an ideal level that needs to break. And here on the 30-minute chart, you guys can see we are still holding an uptrend, obviously. We're above the 180 SMA, although we are under the 50 SMA now. So that is one thing I did want to show you guys today. We did break down under this trend line, under this 50 SMA, but overall the uptrend is still holding as we're above the 180 SMA here on the 30-minute. But keep in mind the 50, which we held that moving average for what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, about 6 trading days. We broke under it today in the pre-market, it looks like, and now we're trying to get back over it. So keep that in mind. We did break slightly the trend here on the 30-minute chart on Sofi. But obviously I'm not sweating it. I mean, look, on the 1-hour chart, I mean, guys, we're still above the 50 and the 180 SMA. It's like this is just a little itty-bitty pullback. That's all it really is, from 1620 down to about, where do we hit yesterday? 1530 in the aftermarket. So we cooled down or pulled down, whatever you want to call it, 5-6%. Looks like we're holding the moving averages still on the 1-hour chart. On the 4-hour chart, obviously, we're well above both moving averages And now on the max chart, if I zoom in to where we were back in 2021, we are well in this channel, obviously, right? You guys probably remember me covering this, but I told you guys, and we covered it before, all of 2021, we traded between $13.50 to $14 as support, with resistance around $25 on the higher end. Obviously, we hit $21 a couple times that year. $22 we got rejected, but this is where we're trading right now, in the same range as 2021, and that shows that there could be a lot more upside. Right now, that if I zoom in like this and extend this to the right, you guys can see we're just getting started in this channel. Do you guys see it right here? This is how much more we have to go for looking here on the max chart. Obviously, it's not guaranteed that Sofi runs all the way up to the mid-20s again, just like that this year, this upcoming year. It's not guaranteed. But, man, it sure is looking good on the charts here, the longer-term charts, which is great for overall direction. And it sure looks like there could be more upside, man. We're heading in the right direction. Now we're at officially pretty much a 4-year high, or a 3-year high, on the stock. We're pushing almost a 3-year high on this stock. So for me, guys, I'm not buying any more shares here. I've covered it before on the channel. I'm in at $6.80. For me to buy more, it's going to have to come down to $11, $12 at least. So for now, I'm just holding on. I'm not buying. I'm just holding. Not selling either. But that's kind of where I'm at. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. As always, guys, I'm curious kind of where your head's at. And make sure to join the email list. I send out an email every Monday of my top 3 stocks for free to my email subscribers. That's in the description box down below. Also pinned in the comment section. Make sure you guys get in on that. Again, it's free. You might as well do it. There's no loss, right? So check it out. Sofi looking interesting today, guys, no doubt. Let's see some other movers here. We do have Shopify continuing to move. Oh, my goodness, guys. Shopify is looking like it wants to test the highs from after earnings, which I think we covered this yesterday. So it looks like this is continuing from yesterday. Now we're at 113 almost. The highs were about 115, 16 about 10 days ago. So that looks like that's where we're going. Maybe we break out of there, get even more momentum on Shopify. So SHOP, add it to your watch list for sure if it's not already on there. Netflix is moving. Let's see, up around 2% on the day. We got a nice pullback on Netflix from 9.15 to about 8.65 yesterday. Now it looks like buyers are coming in above the 50 SMA. We're getting a pop there. So maybe a nice continuation play on NFLX is setting up right now. Kind of looks like it. But yeah, man, for now, that's all I'm looking at for this video, at least, guys. So let me know your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, do all that good stuff, and get your free stocks for Moo. You have a couple more days to do that, and your $30 cash bonus. Don't forget about that. Once you open up your account and fund it with at least $100, you get 5 free stocks and that $30 cash bonus. And fund your account with at least $1,000, you get 10 more stocks, and overall your uninvested cash for now will earn up to 8.1% APY. So guys, get on it. Use that link down below in the description box, in the comments, or go to stocksurfest.com/moo. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you guys in the next video.